Dynamic, interesting,
professional,
friendly, and welcoming,
comprehensive,
helpful.
I get a lot of help from the business matching, so I'll recommend buyers to use business matching for the meetings. Yeah.
The seminars were very helpful.
There's a lot of practical experience and knowledge that is very valuable.
It's a very nice experience seeing the actual fashion trends wearing by the beautiful models. I really like it. The virtual show, which is very good for the buyers who can't attend the show to connect with other suppliers during the fair.